Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Drib Skyeliner HD DJI compatible 5-inch freestyle frame. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its features and specs, and soon I'm going to feature it in a build and flight video. Here is everything you can find inside the bag of the Skyeliner HD frame. So inside the bag you're getting 2 Rotor-Riot battery velcro straps, 4 Rotor-Riot motor protectors, 4 carbon fiber arms, bottom, middle and top plates, 2 side plates, this carbon fiber part which is going to help to secure the arms in their position, 4 black landing pads, all the needed spacers and screws, a battery anti-skid rubber pad, and finally these 3D printed TPU parts that will enable you to mount the DJI camera and will also enable you to mount either the DJI antennas or use SMA or RPSMA antenna adapters. Now I'm going to quickly assemble the frame and I'm going to see you in a bit in order to check the results. Now the Skyeliner HD frame is assembled. As it looks like a small tank, I'm not surprised to find that the weight of this frame is 145.9 grams. In addition, the wheelbase of the frame is 225 millimeters. The distance between the back motors and the front ones is 140 millimeters, and the distance between the right motors and the left ones is 172 millimeters, so this frame features a squashy X pattern. The thickness of each replaceable arm is 4 mm and its width is 20 mm. In addition, the thickness of the top and the bottom plates is 2 mm. The distance between the top plate and the bottom one is 25 mm, and this frame supports only 30.5 by 30.5 mm stacks. The Skyeliner HD frame does not come with any 3D printed TPU parts for mounting the DJI unit, so in order to mount it you will need to use a double-sided tape, which is not included, and I also recommend to use some zip ties in order to make sure that it's going to stay in its position. In order to mount the DJI camera, you will need to use these parts, which are also going to soft mount the camera, and the right one is indicated with an R and the left one is indicated with an L. So you need to insert the parts in the following manner, and then the camera is going to fit perfectly inside. So that's going to be my quick overview of the Drib Skyeliner HD frame, and once the weather is going to clear up, I'm going to feature it in a build video and also of course head outdoors and test it out. As always, I thank you for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.